Reversing to today's project, we're going to repair a damaged collar on your shirt, your white shirt, your short sleeve shirt, whatever shirt you may have. The rest of the shirt may be in good shape. Your collar may be starting to get holes in it because of continuing to scrub along the neckline here where it normally gets dirty. So we're going to repair this white shirt by simply just repairing the collar and extending the life of the shirt. So just stand by. Diversity to repairing the collar on a shirt. Okay, working with the restoring the collar here. We have a damaged collar. Turn it this way. See where it has holes in it. The shirt's been washed so many times. Then where you get the dirt line, the ring around the collar line here from scrubbing with a brush and just rubbing the collar together because this damage because it can only handle so much washing. However, the shirt is still in good shape. The sleeves, there's no holes. Just a little dingy, but you can whiten that up somewhat. But the collar needs work. To keep from throwing this shirt out, you can do several things with this collar. You can de-stitch if you like, and simply make another collar and then insert it. Or you can make it a little more easy on yourself. We can go another route here. I'm going to take some fabric. This is just a little brighter than the shirt, but that's fine. Or if you want to make the shirt match, go to the tail and cut off enough to make your collar out of that, and take your other fabric and resew that to add to the tail if you need the tail to be extended for any reason. But you can go that route. But today we're going to just simply take some white fabric here. We already have a piece cut out. And we are going to line it up. I already cut some before. I just took our steam iron. Let's go over it. Make everything flat. So what I did next was I took my collar. Let me fold this back down here. Let me just use another one. Okay, I took an iron. My collar flat, like that. Then I took a piece of fabric here and I folded it over like that, and I folded the ends. Let's get that up higher. I got it this way first. Flatten it out. And I folded the corners in so I can get some idea of how much material I'm going to need to work with. About like that. Close as you can get it. Then I took this off and laid it out like this here. And took my collar took my pencil, just made a line there where it curves. I'm not going to worry about the size, just the curve right now. And when I finished that, I took my scissors and I cut, turned it over, and I just cut it all the way in, all the way down to that curve. Just cut some slots all the way across. And that's how I ended up with this piece here. Find it. So I ended up with this piece here after I got it trimmed up. See where I have my slots cut out, so I can fold it along the curve. All I did was fold and iron from there to get my curve here. Just like that. So I was going to take and set that on top of my collar like that. Get it lined up. So we can make adjustments with that later. Let's get these corners. I'm going to take and fold the corner here. Get some idea how I'm going to get down. My steam iron is blowing up rust. Basically, I want to get these corners down pat. Otherwise, your collar is going to look crazy. It has to be as close as possible to the original. Okay. So I can take my needle, begin to start to sew this by hand. You got to make sure I can probably even just go ahead and fold this. No, a big fuss, because this is not going to be seen. Quick patch. Take and thread your needle. And I need something to hold this down, but if I can just get it back here, I can iron out the difference. Get your needle going there. Now on the front, you got to keep it as neat as possible once you get it going. So you can pop that. Now we're going to take and sew along here to get this stabilized. Then you can flatten it out and go and bleach it. Just going to get this stabilized a little. Can work with that. Let's see. Go ahead and take the needle through there. I'm going to go ahead and try to get me a fold here. This is going to be, it's not going to be seen either. I'm not going to worry about that. Just going to go ahead and sew that down. I'm not going to worry about folding that. I'm not trying to be too perfect here, just taking care of a problem. We are addressing an issue. I can cut the excess. Cut this off here. Straight up way. We're going to take a cloth and put it over here now. I'm going to take and get that flat. Where it's going to be seen. As you can see, that looks good. And simply taking the thread needle, you have just repaired your collar. Okay, we're going to put this on. We're going to finish ironing the shirt and put this on with a vest and a tie and show you what it looks like. Stand by the Versity Tool. If you have an issue with one of your collars not staying down, you can Velcro it or add some buttons to it to keep it from looking crazy. My needle goes over here, kind of thick. I try to fill in all 4 holes. The Versity Tool. This is the white shirt that the collar was repaired. The collar that had holes in it, I just simply took a piece of material and sewn over that and reshaped it into the shape of the collar, and by hand took some needle and thread and sewn it on. So here you go. It doesn't, you really can't tell that much. It's a little brighter at the top. But if you're wearing a vest, it hides it even more. So put your vest on with that. Well, it looks pretty good. Repairing the collar of a white shirt. If you're wearing a jacket, you can even enhance it a little more. So there you go. The Versity Tool, repairing the collar of a white shirt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.